Why is commercial auto insurance so expensive in California? Spoiler alert, it's exactly what you think. My name is Andrew, and I'm a licensed commercial agent that's telling people way too much about insurance. And I had a client the other day telling me that they think they're overpaying for commercial auto insurance because it's costing them $2,000 a year for insurance on a $1,500 Ford F-150. I had to explain to them the bad news that car insurance for businesses has way more to do with the risk of getting sued than it does with the value of the car that you're insuring. But don't personal vehicles also get into accidents? What's so expensive about business vehicles? Well, business vehicles are usually much heavier, which means the accidents are worse, and they're usually on the road for longer, which means the accidents are more likely. But what most people don't consider is the mandatory minimum insurance limits put into place by legislators. To get a motor carrier permit in California, it's a $300,000 minimum limit, and to cross state lines, it's $1 million. This means when a personal injury lawyer gets an accident across their desk that involves a business, they know that there's up to $1 million up for grabs that could be awarded. I don't blame the lawyers, though. They're doing everything that's legally and logically in their power for their clients' best interests. Insurance companies do the same thing on the defense side. Juries are the ones that are awarding enormous amounts of money to plaintiffs, and those enormous amounts of money are what's being used to determine the out-of-court settlements that happen 95% of the time. So why is commercial auto insurance so expensive? It's because the limits are high, and the juries are awarding them. Knowing this, of course, doesn't actually help with getting cheaper auto insurance. For that, the only near-term solution is having a commercial insurance agent that will put in the work of shopping your policy for you each year. In the long term, there would have to be legislative changes, either to the minimum limits or a cap on certain types of damages. And it's way past my pay grade for sure.